Thanks again for joining us to have a look at how to divide by decimals. In this case, we're dividing a decimal by numbers that have a power of 10 in them. This one's got 2 times 100 and this one's got 5 times 1,000, which are powers of 10. Powers of 10 are like 10, 100, 1,000, etc. Okay, so instead of doing this question here, I'm going to do it in two parts. I'm going to do 236.14, and instead of dividing it by 200, I'm going to divide it by 2, and then I'm going to divide it by 100. So I'm going to do this part first. So in the brackets, I'm going to have 236.14 divided by 2. So 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 3 goes once with one remainder. 2 into 16 goes 8 times. Put the decimal place straight above there. 2 into 1 does not go, but 2 into 14 goes 7 times. So that is my answer to this part of the question. So I could put this brackets is equal to 118.07. So 118.07 divided by 100. Now to finish off this question, when you're dividing by powers of 10, count how many zeros you have in the question. So I've got 2 zeros there, so I need to move the decimal place 2 positions to the left. So 1, 2. So my final answer would be 1.1807. So that's my answer up here, 1.1807. The next question is we're going to do the same way. So we've got 482.435 divided by 5,000. So we're going to divide it by 5, and then we'll divide it by 1,000. So to do the first part, we'll do it as a little algorithm down here. 5 into 482.435. And then we'll divide that answer by 1,000 when we get to the end. So 5s into 48 goes 9, 5s are 45, with a remainder of 3. And 5s into 32 goes 6 times. Put the decimal place straight above the decimal place in the question. So we've got a remainder of 2 down here. So 5s into 24 goes 4 times, with a remainder of 4. 5s into 43, we can go 8 times is 40, which gives us a remainder of 3. And then 5s into 35 goes 7 times. So back up to my question, it's going to be equal to 96.487 divided by 1,000. Now, as we saw before, if we're dividing by 1,000, this has 3 zeros. So that's going to move the decimal place 3 positions to the left. So my answer, 96.487, move the decimal place 3 positions to the left. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to put a 0 underneath that loop there. And so my answer is going to be 0.0968487. And so my final answer up here, 0.0968487.